Hello everyone, welcome back to Autocar Dream. Today we're taking a closer look at the incredible new 2026 luxury class, a motorhome RV coach, a luxury home on wheels designed to deliver the ultimate travel experience. If you've ever dreamed of exploring the open road without sacrificing comfort, style, and modern technology, this amazing RV could be exactly what you're looking for. The exterior design of the 2026 luxury class, a motorhome RV coach, is bold, elegant and highly modern. Its aerodynamic body, premium paint finish, massive windshield, and advanced LED lighting create a striking presence wherever it goes. Large storage compartments provide plenty of space for luggage, outdoor equipment, and everything needed for long-distance adventures. Step inside and you'll find a spacious cabin that feels more like a luxury apartment than a traditional RV. Premium leather seating, beautiful wood accents, ambient lighting, and panoramic windows create a warm and inviting atmosphere. The living area features comfortable recliners, a large smart TV, and a premium sound system, making every journey more enjoyable. The fully equipped kitchen includes a residential refrigerator, modern cooktop, microwave, and generous counter space, allowing travelers to prepare meals with ease. The master bedroom offers a comfortable king-size bed, spacious wardrobes, and plenty of storage. The luxury bathroom features a full-size shower and high-end fixtures, bringing home-like comfort to every trip. Under the hood, this Class A motorhome is powered by a strong and reliable engine designed for smooth highway cruising and confident towing performance. Advanced safety technologies such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking help make every journey safer and more relaxing. The 2026 luxury class, a motorhome RV coach, is more than just a vehicle. It's a complete luxury lifestyle on wheels. Combining comfort, technology, performance, and freedom, it sets a new standard for modern RV travel. Thanks for watching Autocar Dream. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more exciting automotive reviews and future vehicle concepts. See you in the next video!